Samsung has just uploaded a new teaser on its official YouTube channel, revealing the exact date for the upcoming Unpacked event and showcasing AI features. Let's dive in.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant.
Outdoor seating, pet friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca?
Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
Despite offering numerous additional features, the South Korean tech giant appears to be maintaining the same pricing as their predecessors, at least in Europe, according to a leak. However, while this initially seemed like great news, recent developments suggest we might be in for a disappointment. With nearly 2 weeks remaining until the next Galaxy Unpacked event, a European online retailer, Zanetti, has listed the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra along with their prices. Galaxy S25 series prices Europe: Galaxy S25 at 128.3, 973, 256 GB 136, 500 GB. One Galaxy S25 Plus, 256 GB, 246, 512 GB 1171. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 256 GB, 1571, 512 GB, 1696, 1 TB, 1948. Following the leak of over 36 images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25 yesterday, renowned leaker Evan Blass has now revealed another set of official renders. These new images provide a stunning look at Samsung's flagship trio from fresh angles. The Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra renders don't introduce drastic changes, but offer detailed views from multiple perspectives, giving a clearer sense of their overall design and aesthetics. Taking center stage is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which features elegant curves on a flat frame design. Moving away from the Note series' iconic boxy look, Samsung has adopted a sleeker, more refined style. The Ultra also sports thickened camera rings with a dual-layer design, adding depth and sophistication to its rear panel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus shine in their potential signature colors, highlighted in unique poses. Both models adhere to Samsung's classic design language, featuring slimmer bezels and flatter frames, enhancing their modern and sophisticated appeal. As the Galaxy S25 launch approaches, a new set of press renders has emerged online, shared by Android headlines, revealing Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup. The leak showcases the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in nearly all color variants. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shown in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. In contrast, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are displayed in ice blue, mint, navy, and silver shadow. However, it remains uncertain if these will be the official color names at launch. Alongside the standard lineup of vanilla, plus, and ultra models, leaks and rumors suggest the introduction of a new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim. A teaser for the event has fueled these speculations, though specific details about the device remain limited. However, a recent discovery offers some insight into the Galaxy S25 Slim. A Samsung smartphone with the model number SMS937U, presumed to be the S25 Slim, has appeared on Geekbench. The listing reveals that the device will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, aligning with the other models in the series. It also suggests the phone will offer a configuration with 12 GB of RAM and will run Android 15, likely coupled with One UI 7.0. An anticipation is building for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, breakthrough in low-light video performance. Renowned Chinese tipster Ice Universe has revealed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer significantly improved video quality in low-light conditions. While no direct comparison was mentioned, it's reasonable to assume these enhancements are in relation to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The tipster attributes this improvement to advancements in the device's processor. This points to the rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra Ice Universe. Also notes that these upgrades will not be available for older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra. New leaks are shedding light on what to expect, particularly for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A lighter design and faster wireless charging. Reports suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a lighter build and improved wireless charging capabilities. Tipster Roland Quant indicates that the S25 Ultra will support 25-watt wireless charging enabled by Key 2 technology. Samsung is also expected to offer a Key 2 compatible first-party case for the Galaxy S25 series. This aligns with a recent announcement from the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, confirming that the devices will be Key2 ready. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Earlier claims suggested a peak brightness of 3,000 nits, so it remains to be seen which figure is accurate. Under the hood, the device is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset worldwide, ensuring top-tier performance. The S25 Ultra is said to be available in 3 configurations: 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage, 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage. Official press images of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced online, courtesy of WinFuture. Alongside the phones, images of Samsung's official cases have also been revealed. Samsung is introducing a Key2 wireless charging case for all 3 Galaxy S25 models. The Key2 standard includes a magnetic alignment system for more efficient and faster wireless charging, akin to Apple's MagSafe technology. Accessory brands like Spigen are also expected to release 2 enabled cases for the Galaxy S25 series, expanding the ecosystem for users. Samsung has officially confirmed its next Unpacked event, set for January 22, 2025, in San Jose, California. The spotlight is expected to shine on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Exciting pre-reservation perks. Pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series are now open, offering fantastic incentives for early customers, including $50 credit. Use this towards your device during pre-orders after the launch. Up to $900 trade-in credit, $300 instant credit, further reduce your upgrade price instantly. These perks add up to a potential $1,250 in savings, making the Galaxy S25 upgrade more affordable than ever. Early customers also get a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung.com gift card, making pre-reservation even more enticing. How to reserve. Reserving your Galaxy S25 is completely free. Simply visit Samsung's online store, enter your email, and secure your spot. Samsung has officially dropped the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's a lot to be excited about. Here's everything you need to know. The teaser includes 2 clips highlighting Galaxy AI, promoted as your true AI companion. Save the date, January 22nd is the big day. Let's dive in.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Watching today. Something that makes us laugh, makes us cry, shows us new worlds, teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television, it's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Now, a new image shared by renowned industry tipsters Ice Universe and EvLeaks offers yet another glimpse of the phone. The latest image showcases the device itself, highlighting the most significant design change in the S25 Ultra: rounded edges. For the past few years, Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series has featured sharp edges, a design choice that has given these phones a striking and distinctive appearance. They're easily recognizable, no matter the angle. However, while this design has been celebrated by many, some users have expressed concerns about the ergonomics. It seems Samsung has taken this feedback to heart, opting for a return to rounded edges. Fortunately, the rounded design doesn't make the S25 Ultra resemble an iPhone 16. It retains its signature brick-like shape, balancing comfort and aesthetic appeal. Another noticeable improvement is in the bezels, making the overall design even more refined. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.